Right, let's get down our heading. Name, number, date. First and last in cursive. Remember to write down the date you are taking these notes, not necessarily the date I'm writing. Our subject is math. Alright, so here we need to find the missing number. So we need to know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So one group of 60, we need 6 groups of 60. The placeholder moves it over a place. 6 times 6 is 36. So 6 minutes is equal to 360 seconds. Next, 1 decade is equal to 10 years. So 3 groups of 10 is 30. So 3 decades is equal to 30 years. Hours to minutes. Well, in 1 hour, there is 60 minutes. So in 4 hours, 4 groups of 60, there's 240. Because 4 groups of 6 is 24, and the placeholder moves it over a place. So in 4 hours, there is 240 minutes. Centuries. In 1 century, there is 100 years. Because cent means 100. So in 7 centuries, 7 groups of 100, we get 700 years. 7 centuries equals 700 years. Alright, so that was converting. Here we're going to compare. When we compare, we need to get them into the same units. And we want to take the larger units and change them to smaller units. So days are bigger than hours. 1 day is 24 hours. So I'm going to convert our days into hours. 7 days, 7 groups of 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 groups of 2 tens is 14 tens, plus 2 more is 16 tens. So we have 160 hours and 120 hours. Well, 68 is greater than 120. So 7 days is greater than 120 hours. Okay, on this next one, years are greater than months. 1 year is equal to 12 months in the solar calendar. So 3 years, 3 groups of 2 is 6, 3 groups of 10 is 3 tenths. So 44 months and 36 months. Well, 44 is greater than 36. So 44 months is greater than 3 years. Weeks to days. Weeks are greater than days, so I'm going to change my weeks into days. 1 week is 7 days. So for 35, 7 groups of 5 days is 35. 7 groups of 3 tens is 21 tens, plus 3 more is 24 tens. So we have 245 days and 340 days. Well, 340 is greater than 245. So 35 weeks is less than 340 days. "12 months, 40 weeks. Well, I'm going to change months into weeks. 1 month is about 4 weeks. February is the only one that it's exactly 4 weeks. Every other month it's a little bit more, so it's 4 weeks and a couple of days. But it's approximately 4 weeks. So 4 groups of 2 is 8. 4 groups of 10 is 4 tens. So 48 weeks and 40 weeks. "48 is greater than 40. So 12 months is greater than 40 weeks. All right, now that we've completed our 3-column notes, you need to practice more with converting units of time. Thank you for joining me.